everybody. I am reporting to you from the beach in San Diego, California. Don't judge my appearance. I'm not here to look cute. I am here to teach you Polish. Yay! So here we are on the beach, and I'm just going to show you some very useful phrases that you can learn while you are at the beach. All right, let's not waste any more time. Let's get to work. Let's go. All right, so the first word that I'm going to teach you is ocean. And ocean in Polish, you say ocean. Ocean. But since in Poland we don't have the ocean, we have the sea. We have a Baltic Sea. And in Polish you say morze. 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 Next one is beach. And beach in Polish you say plaża. 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 Next word is waves. And waves in Polish you say fale. 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 A very important part of the beach is sand. And sand in Polish you say piasek. 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 So I'm going to teach you how to say hat. And hat in Polish you say kapelusz. 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 Next are or is sunglasses. Sunglasses in Polish you say okulary przeciwsłoneczne. Okulary. 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 Okulary przeciwsłoneczne. 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 Okulary przeciwsłoneczne. Okulary przeciwsłoneczne. Next we got umbrella. An umbrella in Polish you say parasol. 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 I saw some cool kites on the sky, so I decided you're going to get kites in Polish. And in Polish you say latawce. 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 Next we got flip-flops or sandals. Flip-flops you say klapki. 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 Or sandals you say sandały. 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 Next word is lifeguard. And in Polish you say ratownik. 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 And lastly we have palm trees. And palm trees in Polish you say palmy. 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 Alright you guys, and this would be it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. If you like this lesson, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, ciao, pa, do zobaczenia wkrótce.